Hi everyone, today I will talk about character data. We need to build character data, Excel, before make the game. This is a sample I made in Excel. Build data like a two-dimensional array. Save data in array style for easy management. Assuming, is a game with 100 characters, each character has 20 stats. DT status equals 100, 20 is 100 rows of data for 100 characters, 20 columns for value attack, defense, HP. Like this data array, column 0 is the ID column. To distinguish these characters from others, the ID is a unique number, not the same. When I need to use any character, I load the parameter by character ID that. The stats like strength, skill, agility, defense, accuracy, rate of fire, lucky, level, EXP, HP, those are basic. Leader stats, I'll explain more about it. In the game if there is a spaceship and space warriors. If leader spaceship leader space warrior, then the spaceship can hold it. Assuming, leader spaceship is larger enough than the sum of two space warrior, then the spaceship can hold two warriors. When appearing in battle, one spaceship can bring two space warriors to protect. Before entering the map we'll have a squad selection interface, to arrange spaceships and warriors. The leader stat will increase slowly when level up, warrior also increases the stat but little increase. As the spaceship gets stronger gradually, it can carry 1, 2, 3, 4 space warrior. Initially because it is not strong enough, so the spaceship only carries one space warrior. This way stat is the ability to use weapons of the spaceship. Initial way equals 10, assuming the spaceship carries 3 weapons. It can only fire one weapon, the first weapon. If we press the UI button to switch weapons, it will switch to the second weapon. If we press switch to the next weapon, it cannot use the third weapon, so it will automatically switch back to the first weapon. Assuming, way increases to 18. Way equals 18, then we fire at the same time two weapon type weapon 1 plus weapon 2 equals way 18. When pressing switch weapons only fires the third weapon, weapons 1 and 2 will stop. Way will decide the ship can use weapons, but also weapon enable of the spaceship, will be talk later. Designed game capable of firing up to 4 weapons at the same time. I will guide the data retrieval in the array. For example, we access the data at the red position. Red point is row 1 and column 3. Global variable DT status 1, 3 equals 16, AGI. For example, blue box DT status 2, 0 equals 2, ID 2. With this way you will know how to get character data, and pass into the game. Read the data at the cell you need and pass it to the game, when needed, save game, we'll talk later. This Excel data, we will enter the global variable in the game. To build load screen to read the data from the global variable, and pass it in gameplay. For example, if the spacecraft ID equals 2, and the warrior ID equals 4, it will load into the two corresponding characters. Here I only give a general overview, later I will explain it more clearly with script. The introduction here is skill. Each character has a skill index, each character will have different hidden skills, when you upgrade if you choose correctly you will unlock it. I will introduce briefly that the character will have a skill, an enemy also has a skill, one character max equals 4 skills. For example, Big Beam when it is activated, will recharge energy for 2 seconds. Shoots a large and endless beam towards enemy, level skill up beam more bigger. Will destroy bullets and deal great damage if hit. Next, skill slash is to slash aura in close range. If hit bullets, bullets will be broken, if enemy is hit, it will take damage. Skill will be active sometimes depending on the character's stats and level of skills. Are many other related problems, the next day I will talk. this presentation to the end. Thank you for watching.